Today I'll be making a simple casserole which doesn't take too long. It can be done in both boiled and baked as well. So let's just start the actual recipe right now. First of all, you're gonna take 1 or 2 onions and you wanna dice them into nice chunks like this. And then you wanna take the finely diced onion and put it inside a pan. And let it to fry till it becomes like this golden brown color. Also add oil. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, whatever oil you want. Just use any kind you want. Just add oil and fry it on like medium heat, medium to high. All right. Then take 2 peppers and you wanna dice them into nice chunks like this. Also take 2 tomatoes, 1 or 2, doesn't matter how much you're planning to make, and also dice them into a nice chunks like this. Also larger chunks than that. Alright, once the oil is actually fried, then you wanna add 600 grams of pork inside of it. Yes, pork. It's nice meat, so and I kind of like making recipes with pork, it's tasty and it's the thing I can afford the most. Well, I kind of want to do something about with lamps and those things, but yeah, whatever. Also add 100 grams of bacon, and this also has to be like finely diced. So yeah, mix it around with the bacon, also on medium heat. Then you want to add the vegetables that you actually diced alongside of it, and you want to stir it around. After a while of a fry, you want to add inside the pork mixture, you want to add 150 grams of mushrooms. You can use fresh or marinated ones. I like marinated because they taste nice. Then you want to add the tomatoes alongside them, and then you want to stir it around for a bit longer. After a while, you want to season it with salt and pepper, a little bit of mixed vegetable seasoning, and after a while you want to add like 200 milliliters of like white wine inside it. And also you can even add 100 grams of mustard if you want, but I chose not to for this recipe because, well, I just didn't add any. Alright, I didn't use it. Plan to do something else with mustard. And you want to leave it to boil for a while. And you can serve it like this, or you can actually add 100 cheese on top and bake it for a while till the cheese melts. You can eat it that way. And that's about it for this simple casserole. You can make it in either boiled, as I said at the end, or you can just add cheese and bake it so it can be a bit baked. That's about it.